Welcome to Leash Today. If you guys are interested in seeing a quick tutorial on how you can engrave this here flask, then stay tuned. First, you want to place your flask on your honeycomb. You want to put your laser over top of it, and you want to hit your distance button in Xtool Creative Space, because that's what I use. This measures the distance from your material to your laser. You want to hit start marking inside of Xtool Creative Space. You're going to hit this rectangle, start marking. Alright, so this is what it looks like after you marked it in your Xtool Creative Space. You're going to then hit end marking. This is going to show you on your canvas where you marked at, and this is where that flask is sitting on your honeycomb. So then what you're going to do is you're going to insert whatever image that you want to use, and then you're going to size it down so that it fits within your square or rectangle that you just marked. Good. The next thing you want to do is, at least for this design, I'm just going to add in some text. So I'm just going to do that real quick. I'm going to set it to engrave. And then I'm just going to size this down. So then if you don't like this font, what you can do is the typeface is pretty much the font selection. And then this is the style. So like if you want it to be like bold, italic. So I'm just going to leave it as it is for that. But for the typeface or the font, I'm going to change it. All right, so from here, you're going to hit process. Make sure you close your lid. And then if you like how it looks on the screen, then you'll just hit, oh, let me go back. So then what you want to do after it looks good to you here is you want to go to the user defined material. I'm just going to use the stainless steel dog tag setting. That seems to work. You can always adjust it from here by doing a test array, but we'll try to do it with just the setting, the material setting that is on here. So I'm going to hit process, and then I'm going to do start. I'm going to turn on my inline fan, and then I'm going to hit the start button here. As you can see it's starting to engrave. And then I'll get back to you guys once it's done, and I'll tell you guys how long it took. Okay, so it took 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So this is how it looks just on the stainless steel settings. So as you can see, it looks very, very nice on just those settings. I didn't have to play around with any of the, the test array. But I think this looks beautiful. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay blessed. Take care.